Hellcat. We caught another wide body in here. Did we catch another wide body? Caught another wide. Oh, we caught another cat. We caught another cat. What you want to do? 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 I caught another cat in traffic. It's up. Yeah, man. Don't try to skate away on me. Don't try to skate away. Hold on. It's that beast. It's that beast. He don't want that. We Hellcat playing in traffic, baby. Woo! Woo! There go the boys right there. Let me slow my ass down. I'm out of here. Sheesh. Look at that. Ooh. And that effect, man. What y'all thinking, man? Let your boy know right now in the comments below. Yeah, she's sitting right now, gang. Alrighty, guys. We are back in this thing, man. We might as well see if we can hit that SRT. And hit this button right here and see if we can do some justice. Oh, that's too small of a gap. Can't make that. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Get something going, gang. Can somebody pass somebody? Hold you, this thing ready to get cracking. Cracky yakking. She ready to get cracky yakking. Uh-oh, we caught another Hellcat. Did we caught another wide body in here. Did we catch another wide body? We caught another wide. Oh, we caught another cat. We caught another cat. What you want to do? 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 I caught another cat in traffic. What you want to... Hey, appreciate you, man. I see you. I like that color. It's up. Yeah, man. Don't try to skate away on me. Don't try to skate away. Hold on. It's that beast. It's that beast. He don't want that. It's that beast, baby. We Hellcat playing in traffic, baby. Woo! He don't want that. Ooh, there go the boys right there. Let me slow my ass down. I'm out of here. Sheesh. Sound crazy. This thing is freaking sick, dude. I ain't gonna hold you. Woo! Almost don't count. Almost don't count. All right, and then before we do get home, man, I want to freaking vacuum this thing out. So if you stopped at a little car wash and get this thing all vacuumed out, just get it cleaned up, because I'm about to clean this thing up myself. Get the oohs and ahs on here, man. We just gonna vacuum out real quick, get home, and slide, man. That thing look good on them things. We caught a Hellcat in traffic. He wasn't ready for it. Caught a Hellcat in traffic. He wasn't ready for it. We sliding, though. Just like that, guys, we done made it to the house. Got them things on that thing. Man, we gotta take a step back and look at it. Sheesh. She looking good, man. Sheesh. She looking good, man. She is looking good. I am not gonna hold you. Definitely looking like something, definitely looking like something special, man. What y'all think about the 4Gs? I'm actually about to wash this joint up, man. This thing gotta look spectacular. Definitely gotta look spectacular. We got a little bit of dirt on it. It's been sitting in the garage, so let's bring this thing back to life one time and really check it out, gang. Gotta move the vet, though. We need the charger right here, or at least over on this side. And I need to pressure wash this driveway there. Let's see. What's hot? Whee! There we go. Now we looking like something again. I ain't gonna hold you. Them Big Daddy O's on there, man. Y'all see what's going on. All the oohs and the ahs, my bad. All the oohs and the ahs, man. Bro got this joint cleaned up, waxed up, all the above. Sheesh. Look at that. Ooh. And that effect, man. What y'all thinking, man? Let your boy know right now in the comments below. This thing is actually looking it's looking pretty sick. I'm digging it, man. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys. Now, as we get this truck washed up next, man, this thing is gonna look brand new again. But golly, look at the mother wheels. Sheesh. Yeah, she's sitting right now, gang. She's sitting real righteous now. Whew. Oh my God. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Golly. Well, certainly. It's up. You see me or what, gang? Is that how we flooding or what? That's how, what you think, gang? Yay. Yay, yay. And that Joey look crazy sitting right here, bro. I swear to you. I need to get this picture on my phone. This thing nuts. So did he do it justice or what?
Hey.
We flood now.
I ain't gonna do your own, yeah.
Hey, that part, man. Y'all see what's going on? It's a
I didn't
movie.
think it ain't everything regular. Nothing regular.
Hey, man, they gonna learn today. It's a movie. That's crazy. Just like that, man. We got this thing parked up. Got the vet over here. This might be the new parking. Right here, we got the Silverado getting cleaned up and all the above. All the oohs and ahs on there. Everything looking good. Y'all see what it is, man. Y'all see what it is. It's definitely a movie, dog. And just like that, fresh up out the Uber, man, back at the Lambo. It's freaking lit. Lit. Y'all see what's going on, gang? Y'all see what's going on? It's a movie. Yours. Just like that, guys, we got everything back at the house except for my truck that's still not here. But this thing is looking real clean and brand freaking new again. That's dope. That is dope. We got the freaking Charger moved out the driveway. Got that thing parked in the garage where it belongs. Y'all know they take these things like easy as 1-2, man. So this thing is gonna be protected. But y'all see it here first, man. The joints is out here. Now it's time to chillax for a second, I guess. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, we finally got the 4Gs on a freaking cat. Man, we got that thing back in traffic. We went sliding out yesterday, man. It was so fun. Happy to be back in the car, man. I can't wait to take that thing out today and go get some slide time in, man. But in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2022 CVO Road Glide back there, man, you know that thing is up for grabs right now. $25 can win you that CVO Road Glide in the blue steel. Yes, man, the one and only brand new thing, man. From me to you, man, all it takes is some support. And you never know, man, we could just be pulling up to your door right before Christmas, getting this thing delivered to you. But we can't do that without your support, man. So head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a movies only patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, we did have a hell of a day in the Hellcat. Got that thing cleaned up. Got the freaking Silverado cleaned up. Literally a whole bunch of little stuff done, man. So I'm excited about that. The winner should be here tomorrow picking up his truck and his bike. So we just trying to get the last little things done today. So when he comes tomorrow, it's gonna be like problem free and we'll be good to go, man. So in the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.